Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that most of us want, naturally glowing skin. We spend so much money on skincare products, serums and treatments, but sometimes the best glow comes from within, literally. What we eat has a huge impact on our skin. So in this video, I'm sharing 15 of the best foods for glowing skin, especially keeping in mind our Indian diet and lifestyle. Whether you struggle with dullness, acne or dryness, adding the right foods to your plate can make a huge difference. And the best part, you don't have to buy anything fancy. Most of these are already in your kitchen. So let's get started. Turmeric, the golden glow secret. Turmeric or haldi has been part of Indian traditions for centuries, and it's one of the best natural remedies for glowing skin. Ever wondered why Indian brides apply haldi before the wedding? It's because turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help clear up the skin, reduce redness, and give it a natural glow. The secret behind turmeric's magic is a compound called curcumin, which fights free radicals, reduces acne, and even helps with pigmentation. If you have stubborn acne marks or dull skin, adding turmeric to your diet can make a visible difference over time. One of the best ways to consume turmeric is through haldi doodh, also known as golden milk. Just add a pinch of turmeric to warm milk with a little black pepper, which helps your body absorb curcumin better, and drink it before bed. It not only works wonders for your skin but also boosts immunity and helps with digestion. You can also add turmeric to your dals, sabjis like we do in Indian culture. If you love DIY skincare, you can even mix a little turmeric with besan and curd to make a brightening face mask. I love that one. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too much turmeric can leave your skin with a yellowish tint. So if you're looking for an easy, natural way to get healthy, glowing skin, turmeric is your best friend. Whether you eat it or apply it, it's a simple and effective way to nourish your skin from the inside out. Amla, the ultimate vitamin C booster. Amla is known as a superfood for glowing skin. If you grew up with your grandparents, chances are you have heard them talk about how powerful amla is, not just for immunity but also for healthy, youthful skin. And they were absolutely right. Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, containing almost 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm, plump, and wrinkle-free. It also fights pigmentation, evens out skin tone, and helps repair damage caused by pollution and sun exposure. If your skin looks dull or tired, amla can be a game changer. The best way to consume amla is raw, but let's be honest, it's extremely sour. If you can handle it, try eating one amla every morning on an empty stomach. If that's too intense, don't worry. You can also drink fresh amla juice, mix it into smoothies, or add it to chutneys and pickles for a tangy twist. Amla murabba is another delicious way to include it in your diet. Another option is amla powder. Just mix a little into warm water or honey and drink it daily. Not only will it brighten your skin, but it also helps detoxify your body and boosts hair health too. If you're looking for a natural way to get glowing, youthful skin, amla is a must-have in your diet. It's cheap, easily available, and incredibly powerful. So have you tried amla for your skin? Let me know in the comments. Ghee, the best natural moisturizer. Forget expensive creams. Ghee is your skin's best friend. If your skin feels dry, rough, or lifeless, adding ghee to your diet can make a world of difference. Our grandmothers always swore by it, and now even skincare experts are talking about how amazing it is. Ghee is packed with healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids, and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, all of which deeply nourish your skin from the inside out. If you struggle with dry patches, flaky skin, or even eczema, ghee can help moisturize your skin naturally. It also contains butyric acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for soothing irritated skin. The best part, you don't need a lot. Just 1 teaspoon of ghee a day is enough to keep your skin soft, plump, and radiant. Add it to your dal, roti, or rice. Or if you want to get fancy, drizzle it over warm khichdi for the extra comfort. Ghee also helps with digestion, and good digestion means better skin, because when your gut is healthy, your skin automatically looks clearer and more radiant. And here's a bonus tip. You can even apply ghee to your skin. I do that all the time because I have very, very dry skin. If your lips are dry, dab a little ghee before bed. It works better than any lip balm. You can also massage a tiny amount onto your face for deep hydration. Some people even mix ghee with besan or turmeric to make a natural face mask. So if you want naturally glowing skin without relying on expensive skincare, start adding a little ghee to your meals. Your skin will thank you. Coconut water, the hydration hero. We all know that drinking enough water is the key to glowing skin. But if you want to take your hydration to the next level, coconut water is the secret. It's not just a refreshing summer drink, it's a natural skin booster packed with electrolytes, potassium, and vitamin C that helps keep your skin looking fresh, plump, and dewy. If you struggle with dull, tired looking skin, dehydration could be the reason. When your body doesn't get enough fluids, your skin loses its natural glow and starts looking dry and lifeless. Coconut water works like a magic potion because it hydrates your skin at a cellular level, making it look radiant and well nourished from the inside out. One of the best things about coconut water is that it's rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and slow down signs of aging. If you spend a lot of time in the sun or deal with pollution, drinking coconut water regularly can reduce damage and keep your skin youthful. Plus, it's low in calories and naturally sweet, making it a great alternative to sugary sodas and packaged juice. You can drink it first thing in the morning to detoxify your body and flush out toxins, or have it as a midday refresher when you need a boost of energy. Some people even use coconut water as a natural toner. Just dab a little on a cotton pad and apply it to your face for instant hydration. So if you want clear glowing skin, swap your sugary drinks for a glass of fresh coconut water. Nuts and seeds, skin's best friends. If you want naturally glowing, youthful skin, nuts and seeds should be a staple in your diet. They are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that nourish your skin from inside out. Plus, they are super easy to add to your meals. Just a handful a day can make a visible difference. Let's start with almonds. Rich in vitamin E, almonds act like a natural moisturizer, keeping your skin soft and supple. They also protect against sun damage and slow down premature aging. The best way to eat them: soak a few overnight and eat them first thing in the morning. Soaking makes them easier to digest and helps your body absorb all the nutrients better. Then we have walnuts, the ultimate omega-3 powerhouse. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation, keep your skin hydrated, and even prevent breakouts. If you struggle with dry, irritated skin, walnuts can help restore moisture and give your face a healthy glow. Try adding a few crushed walnuts to your oatmeal or salads for an extra crunch. Now let's talk about flax seeds and sunflower seeds. Flax seeds are rich in lignans and antioxidants, which help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Sunflower seeds, on the other hand, are loaded with selenium and zinc, which fight acne and promote clear skin. You can sprinkle them over yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or even mix them into your roti dough for an easy nutrient boost. If you often snack on junk food, try swapping it with a mix of nuts and seeds. They are delicious, nutritious, and an easy way to get naturally glowing skin. Tomatoes, natural sun protection. Did you know that tomatoes act as a natural sunscreen? Yes, you heard that right. While they can't replace your regular SPF, eating tomatoes regularly can prevent your skin from UV damage and protect premature aging. That's because tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce the effects of sun exposure, keeping your skin looking fresh and youthful. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, UV rays can cause sunburn, pigmentation, and fine lines. But adding tomatoes to your diet can help your skin fight back naturally. Lycopene neutralizes free radicals caused by sun exposure, reducing the risk of wrinkles and dark spots. It also promotes even skin tone, so if you struggle with patchy or dull skin, tomatoes can be a great addition to your meals. The best part, tomatoes are super versatile. You can eat them raw in salads, drink fresh tomato juice, or add them to your curries, chutneys, and sabjis. Cooking tomatoes actually increases the lycopene content, so having them in dishes like tomato soup or rasam is even more beneficial for your skin. If you love sandwiches, try adding a few tomato slices. They not only enhance flavor but also boost your skin health. And here's a bonus skincare tip. You can apply tomato pulp directly on your face. It acts as a natural toner, reducing excess oil and tightening pores. Just mash a tomato, apply it for 10 minutes, and rinse it off for instant freshness. So if you want healthy glowing skin while protecting it from sun damage, tomatoes should definitely be on your plate. Green leafy vegetables, the detox powerhouse. If there's one thing our moms and grandmoms always told us to eat, it's green leafy vegetables. and for a good reason. Whether it's palak, methi, sarso, or dhania, these greens are packed with iron, folate, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which play a huge role in keeping your skin clear, fresh, and glowing. Let's talk about iron first. If your skin looks pale, tired, or dull, it might be due to an iron deficiency. Iron helps in oxygen circulation, ensuring your skin gets the nutrients it needs to stay radiant and healthy. Low iron levels can make your skin look lifeless, so adding greens to your diet is a natural way to boost that glow from within. Then there's folate, which helps in cell regeneration and repair. This means your skin heals faster, looks fresher, and stays youthful. Plus, leafy greens are full of antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. They also help in detoxifying your body, keeping breakouts at bay. The best part? There are so many delicious ways to eat them. Add palak to your dal, make methi parathas, or blend coriander with chutney. You can even add greens to soups, smoothies, or curries for an easy nutrient boost. If you love juices, try a palak amla juice for glowing skin. So if you want clear, bright, and healthy skin, make sure to eat your greens. Your skin and your body will thank you. Yogurt, the gut-skin connection. Did you know that your gut health and skin health are closely linked? If your gut is happy, your skin will naturally glow. That's where yogurt or dahi comes in. It's packed with probiotics, calcium, and essential vitamins that help maintain a healthy gut, which in turn leads to clear, radiant skin. When your gut is out of balance due to poor digestion, stress, or unhealthy eating, it can show up on your skin in the form of acne, dullness, or even inflammation. The good bacteria or probiotics in yogurt help restore this balance by improving digestion and reducing toxins in your body. Less toxins equals fewer breakouts and a more even skin tone. One of the easiest ways to add yogurt to your diet is by having a bowl of plain homemade dahi with your meals. It not only cools your stomach but also aids digestion. You can also try chas or a refreshing raita. Both are perfect for the Indian climate and work wonders for your skin. If you love smoothies, blend yogurt with some fruits like bananas or berries for a skin-friendly treat. And here's a bonus tip. Yogurt isn't just great to eat, you can also apply it as a face mask. Mix yogurt with a little besan and haldi for a natural glow-boosting pack. It helps with skin brightening, reducing blemishes, and keeping your face soft and supple. So whether you eat it or apply it, yogurt is a natural, simple way to keep your skin happy and glowing. Carrots, the vitamin A glow. If you're looking for a natural way to get glowing, flawless skin, carrots should be your best friend. They are packed with beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in your body, one of the most essential nutrients for healthy, radiant skin. Not only do carrots give your skin a beautiful glow, but they also help in repairing skin damage, preventing acne, and reducing pigmentation. Let's talk about why vitamin A is so powerful. It helps in cell regeneration, which means your skin constantly renews itself, staying fresh and youthful. If you struggle with acne or dark spots, vitamin A helps heal and fade scars over time. Plus, it acts as a natural sun protector, shielding your skin from damage caused by UV rays. So if you spend a lot of time outdoors, carrots can help reduce sun-induced pigmentation and premature aging. The best part? Carrots are super versatile. You can eat them raw as a crunchy snack, add them to your salads, soups, or a delicious carrot juice. In winter, nothing beats a warm bowl of gajar ka halwa. Just remember to go easy on the sugar. If you love smoothies, blend carrots with oranges or apples for a refreshing skin-friendly drink. And here's a quick tip. Carrots can also work as a natural face mask. Mix carrot pulp with honey and apply it to your face for instant brightness and hydration. So if you want naturally radiant, healthy skin, make sure to include carrots in your diet. Citrus fruits, the collagen boosters. If you want firm, youthful, and glowing skin, then citrus fruits should be your go-to. Oranges, lemons, and sweet limes like Mossambi are loaded with vitamin C, which is one of the best nutrients for boosting collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, elastic, and wrinkle-free. So the more you have, the younger and fresher your skin will look. Now let's talk about why vitamin C is a skincare superstar. It helps to fade dark spots, brighten dull skin, and even out pigmentation. If you struggle with tanning or uneven skin tone, adding more citrus fruits to your diet can make a huge difference. Plus, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radical damage, preventing premature aging caused by pollution, sun exposure, and stress. The best part? Citrus fruits are so refreshing and easy to include in your diet. You can start your day with a glass of warm lemon water, which helps detoxify your body and clears your skin from within. Having an orange or Mossambi juice in the afternoon is a great way to stay hydrated while giving your skin a boost. You can also add a squeeze of lemon to your dal, sabzi, or salads for extra flavor and nutrition. And here's a quick beauty hack. You can apply fresh lemon juice diluted with water to your face to help with pigmentation and acne scars. Just be sure to use sunscreen afterwards since vitamin C makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. Papaya, the natural glow enhancer. If you want naturally bright, clear, and glowing skin, then papaya should be a regular part of your diet. This tropical fruit is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and powerful enzymes that work wonders for your skin, whether you eat it or apply it as a face mask. Papaya can help repair skin damage, fade pigmentation, and give your skin a smooth, radiant look. Let's start with why papaya is so special. It contains an enzyme called papain, which acts as a natural exfoliator. This means it gently removes dead skin cells, revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. If you have dull, tired-looking skin or pigmentation issues, eating papaya regularly can help lighten dark spots and even out your complexion. Plus, the vitamin C in papaya boosts collagen production and keep your skin firm and youthful. The best part? Papaya is light on the stomach and great for digestion. A healthy gut equals glowing skin. A poor digestion can lead to toxins building up in your body, causing breakouts and dullness. Since papaya is high in fiber and water content, it helps your digestive system running smoothly, which reflects on your skin. How can you add papaya to your diet? It's super easy. You can add it as a snack, blend it into a smoothie, or even add it to fruit salads. And for an instant glow boost, try a papaya face mask. Just mash some papaya and apply it directly to your skin for 15 minutes before washing it off. So if you're looking for a simple and natural way to get glowing skin, papaya is your best friend. Dark chocolate. Yes, you can eat chocolate. Good news! Chocolate can actually be good for your skin. But before you reach for a milk chocolate bar, let me clarify. We are talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Unlike regular chocolate, which is full of sugar and dairy, dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants, flavonoids, and essential minerals that can do wonders for your skin. So what makes dark chocolate a skin superfood? First, it's rich in antioxidants which help fight free radical damage caused by pollution, stress, and UV rays. This means fewer wrinkles, reduced fine lines, and an overall youthful glow. Dark chocolate is also known to improve blood circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells properly, making your skin look healthy and radiant. If you struggle with dry or irritated skin, dark chocolate can help because it's packed with healthy fats that nourish and hydrate your skin from within. Plus, the flavonoids in cocoa help protect your skin from UV damage, reducing the risk of sunspots and premature aging. Of course, this doesn't mean you can skip sunscreen, but a little dark chocolate in your diet can give your skin extra protection. The best way to enjoy dark chocolate is to have 1 or 2 small pieces daily, preferably unsweetened or with minimal added sugar. You can also add dark cocoa powder to your smoothies or oatmeal for an extra skin-friendly boost. And here's a fun tip again. A homemade dark chocolate face mask made with cocoa powder, honey, and yogurt can help brighten your skin and leave it feeling soft. So if you are a chocolate lover, this is your excuse to indulge guilt-free. Just make sure it's the right kind. Now that we have talked about all these amazing skin-friendly foods, let me share a little bit about my own journey. I have extremely dry skin, and for the longest time, I struggled to keep it looking healthy. Although I still do. No matter how much moisturizer I applied, my skin always felt tight, flaky, and dull, especially in colder months. What really made a difference for me was focusing on hydration from the inside out. Drinking more water and including healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and ghee in my diet helped my skin retain moisture better. I also started eating more omega-rich foods like flax seeds and walnuts, and I noticed my skin becoming softer, less irritated, and more naturally glowing. Another game changer for me was cutting back on caffeine and increasing fresh fruit intake. I used to drink multiple cups of coffee a day, but caffeine can be dehydrating, which made my skin even drier. Swapping 1 cup of coffee for a fruit smoothie or coconut water helped a lot. Also, eating foods rich in vitamin C like amla and oranges gave my skin a much needed brightness boost. At the end of the day, skincare isn't just about what you apply, it's about what you eat and drink too. If you have dry skin like me, focus on hydrating foods, healthy fats, and plenty of water. Have you tried any of these foods for better skin? Let me know what works for you in the comments. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health. If you're eating junk, not drinking enough water, or stressing too much, it will show on your face. But when you nourish your body with the right foods, your skin will thank you with a natural glow. So which of these skin-friendly foods are already part of your diet? Are there any that you're excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, you know that you need to share it with someone who can benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep glowing.